To change watch faces on your Apple Watch, you can actually do that in the two ways. The first one on your iPhone by opening Watch application. Next, you will have to open Face Gallery, and here you can find all watch faces that are actually available. So if I want to get, for example, dress watch face, I have to just click on this one. And let's get, for example, the reflections, the red one. You have to just tap on it. Now, of course, you can customize it up to your preferences and click Add. Now, as you can see, the watch face has changed. And how you can do this on your Apple Watch? Well, you can actually click and hold on the main watch face when your device is unlocked. Over here, you have to click on the new watch face, and here you can also find watch faces. So pick this one that fits your preferences and click on the Add button. Now, you can also customize it, but in my opinion, it's much easier to customize the watch face on the iPhone, and that's what I'm gonna recommend you. Once you actually click on it like so, nothing is gonna happen. So to apply this watch face, you will have to click on the crown control button and just tap on it. Now, as you can see, the watch face has changed. And if you want to change watch faces that are actually available on your watch, you have to just click and hold it and swipe to the left or the right side to pick any watch face that you want to currently use. I hope you find it useful.